Hi there and welcome to my channel. In this video we will take a look at the case for Teclast P20HD tablet. This one is sold for around $80 on AliExpress and is one of the few cases for this tablet. It was shipped really fast and seems like a good value for money. The tablet fits just fine and the materials and overall build quality seems fine. The plastic quality is okay, but I'm a bit concerned about the folding cover. If you use it as a stand, it will constantly bend. So we'll just have to wait and see how long it lasts. As a stand it holds, but it is not the most stable stand, so you should pay attention not to kick it and flip it over. The only problem that I managed to find is that the sound jack is not covered, so if it falls on that side, it might not protect it. Thanks for watching, and if you like my channel, please subscribe.